Jirbie from couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm excited to share with you what's inside my Cricut Explore Air box. So if you're interested to see what's inside this box, please keep watching. Alright, so as you can see, I'm inside my new soap studio. I actually had my first free essential oil class here earlier this morning. And this is going to be a regular in my channel because I will be filming most of my oily videos here starting this March. So today I wanted to share with you one of my recent purchases. Not really that recent because I got this last Black Friday sale, which was like last November. But I didn't have the time to open it yet because I'm very busy fixing this. My sisters and I actually conceptualized this soap studio last November pa. So it took us, 5 months to actually bring everything to life. But now that it's here, we're so excited to have everyone. So if you guys have nothing to do this summer, don't forget to join any of our workshops. I will put our Linktree account down below through the description box, so you guys can check our schedule and you guys can join any of our classes, okay? But going back to the video, I wanted to share this with you because this is one of the new additions that we want in our space. As you may or may not know, we already offer essential oil classes, soap making classes, shampoo bar classes, and other special interests like candle making, perfume making. And we wanted to add another skill or another interest in our space, in our workshop space. That's why I got this Cricut Explore Air 2. I'm very excited to open it. It's my first time to actually sift through what's inside. And I got this package. I got the everything bundle. Kasi meron siyang just the machine, and then meron yung parang basic set. But I got the entire shebang talaga. You know naman. I like going big. It's like go big or go home. So I got the everything bundle from last Black Friday sale. I think I got it directly from Cricut's website. Hindi ko siya binili from Amazon. I got it directly from the website. And ito yung parang accessories bundle niya. So maybe you can just go through this box first. I actually opened, pinanggal ko lang yung tapes, but hindi ko pa siya nahihimay. Okay? So it's my first time to actually open it and then share it with you. So let me just put this on the table first. Iusap muna natin si Cricut. Alright. So let's check what's inside the accessories box. Okay, so first we have this portable trimmer. Oh, that's nice. I was supposed to buy one of these. Nice portable trimmer. Meron siyang blade na you cut it precisely. And then the kit also comes with these multi-pen set. So meron siya yung pastel sets, and then meron siya yung black sets with meron siyang may glitter. I've seen feedback from other users, parang they were hoping to get the metallic or parang golds and silver set, but those things don't really come in the bundles. You have to buy those separately. And then I also have this pouring stylus. I honestly don't know what their uses are for now. Hindi ko pa siya talagang nare-research or what. I just bought it because I just want to have the entire set and then eventually learn it along the way. And then I also have these blades, spare blades. As you may or may not know, yung Cricut machine kasi, it's a die cutting machine. It's a machine to let you personalize stuff. So you can do die cuts with it, you can do penmanships with it, pwede kang magsulat, using all these attachments. And I also have this basic tool set, which is pretty exciting. Nag-order din ako ng extra ganito, the bigger one. So it's still on the way. I think ito yung parang mga pang tanggal din sa pads. So excited to use that. And then underneath, we have vinyls included. So merong window plate. Meron din, black window plate. And then meron din, what's this? Vinyl papers or stickers. So yung mga nakikita nyo na parang nice calligraphy label sa mga EO bottles, they actually use these. So I'm also excited to integrate my Cricut machine with my oiling hobby. So, hopefully someday, meron tayong parang workshop targeted for this. Who knows? And then we also have transfer tapes. This is very important when you're making your personalized whatever. And then meron din siyang dry erase vinyl. So parang sa mga white colored. Nice theme. And then meron din siyang kasamang light grip paper. So ito yung pinapasok sa machine. And then we also have faux leather, like things that you can cut through if you want to make like those little things. And then meron din washi sheets. Okay, and then poster board, metallics. The papers are actually easy to source from the Philippines kasi meron ng distributor na dito. Then printable sticker papers, you use only inkjet. And then cut and print and cut. Meron din printable vinyl. And then printable iron on dark. Meron din printable glow in the dark thing or glow in the dark iron. Printable magnet sheets. So that's nice. And then meron din siyang kasamang variety pack. Oh, I was supposed to buy extra packs of these pero meron na pala. Variety pack ng mga grip mats. So, meron light grip, standard grip, and strong grip. Buti na lang chineko to kasi I was planning to buy extra grip mats. Ito, this is extra. Naano ko pang bumili na extra, meron na. Alright, so it seems na kompleto naman yung kit. I have like things, so much things that I can do with these. Let's get on with the machine itself. Alright, now let's get on to the happier part. This machine is actually parang limited edition in color. It's not really like offered here in the Philippines kasi parang yung nasa Philippines, I think dalawa or tatlong colors lang. In the US, you can get like, there are 5 or 6 choices out there. So, let's try to open it. Yeah. Okay. Paano ba? Medyo ano siya. Sakto siya. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan ever, I think. Oh. Alright, so here is the Cricut machine. Let me just show you the color that I picked. Obviously, hindi ko pa siya natitignan. Okay. It's actually color, wait, ewan ko kung matatanggal ko siya, but... Oh, let me show you, it's so nice. Ta-da! The color in here is, I think parang Flamingo pink or something. Yeah, it's Flamingo pearl. So yun yung color niya. Wala to sa Philippines. Ta-da! It's so pretty. Remove. Anyway, hindi pa naman siya isasaksak. But yeah, I'm just so excited to use this. What's inside the box are just the machine itself, some cables, the adapter, and meron na rin siyang kasamang pen. So, yan yung basic. Nakasama niya if you're buying just the machine. And I forgotten the prices. I think it was about $200, I think. Not so sure. But this one, I think this was about $400. Let me just put the price down here. Nakalimutan ko na eh. Pero yun, mga ganon. And it's really nice. Of course, it's so much more expensive when you buy it from here. Meron na to sa Lazada. It's a little more expensive. So, I got mine from the US. Hindi ko muna siya isasaksak. I'll demo it in another time. But yeah, here you go. Here's my Flamingo Pearl Cricut Explorer. So there you go, guys. Here is the unboxing of my new Cricut Explorer Air in Flamingo Pearl. And if you guys have your own Cricut Explorer, don't forget to comment down below and give me some ideas on like the first few projects that I should try. I have yet to download the app, so I have yet to really like explore how to do things, but I'm so excited to do my first project using my Cricut set and all these amazing like crafting tools that I have yet to use. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. If you guys have time, don't forget to hit that notification bell button below this video so that you guys are updated as soon as I have uploaded a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!